I welcome you to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to install Camtasia on your system. And Camtasia is used to record your screen, and it can also be used to edit your video. So it is very useful. The first thing you will do is you are going to deactivate your system security. You are going to click on this heart icon, and you'll see another one here. Click on it, and if you go down, you see manage setting. Click on it, and all these you are going to turn it down. You are going to allow it to be off like you are seeing it now. Okay, and once you are done putting off all these, and you are going to see dismiss somewhere here, dismiss them also, and you will go to your battery setting. Click on battery settings and search for firewall. Search for firewall, and you see firewall defender. You see check firewall status. Click on this particular one, and you see turn off window defender. Click on it, and you will see it turn on here. Put it off here and put this one off here, and you are good to go. It will show you a warning. Ignore the warning, and you are going to go to this website. I'm going to put the link in the description of this video. You see Camtasia 2022 free download. You are going to go down, not this one. This is an ad. You can see this is a Google ad, so it is not this one you are downloading. This is the one you are downloading. You can see it here, and if password is required at any point in time, this is the password you are going to use. You only need to click it once, and it will take you to a page. For instance, if I click on it now, it will take me to this page, and I will have to wait for a while before it starts downloading. So I don't want to download it. Let me close that page. Okay, after you have downloaded it, you can now download this one. And when you are done downloading it, you should be able to see it in your system like this. In your download, you see it something like this, like a WinRAR file, a zip file. This is a zip file. You see it something like this, and you are going to right click and extract it to a folder. And when you have extracted it, it will look something like this, and you can see the password here. You are going to double click to open this one up, and you are going to, this is the one you are going to install. You right click on this particular one and run as administrator. In some cases, it may require you to install this web view 2, and if it does, you are going to install it. And when you are done installing this one, you can now off your internet. Make sure your internet is not connected when you are doing the installation. Very important. Don't make that mistake, otherwise you can never register it. It will not be, you will not be able to crack it again. So make sure your internet is never on. The only time you can on your internet is when you are downloading this web view 2. After you are done in downloading it, you can now off your internet, and when you are done downloading and installing this web view 2, you can now off your internet. Before you start the installation of Camtasia, make sure your internet is off. Okay, and I want to assume that I'm done installing this web view 2, and if it does not require it, you are good to go. Okay, this is where you can download web view 2. This is it here. This is the link, and you see it here if you are using 64-bit. Okay, then you put off your internet and go to Camtasia and click run as administrator, and when it is done installing, you come back to this same folder. You see crack, double click on it, double click on this one also, copy all these, right click and copy, then go to your desktop, see where your Camtasia is, right click on it and click open file location. This file location, and you are going to Ctrl V to paste everything you have copied from the crack folder. And if it prompts you anything, click OK, and with that you are good to go. Okay, so that is how you can install Camtasia on your phone. And when you have installed it, you see that you have unlimited, you have 99 days to expire, 9,999 days. And I believe before you finish that one, you should be able to do some reasonable thing with it. Alright, thank you for watching this video, and if this video has helped you, make sure you give me a video testimonial so that other people can locate this course. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Bye.